This is Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and today I just wanted to quickly show you what I got as a VIP member of Kendra's card challenge in her Patreon. So Cards by Kendra, she's the one who puts this together, and if you're not aware, every month, or every quarter actually, sorry for the crinkling, she puts together a challenge where she gives you designs so you can make 15 cards out of 6x6 sheets with minimal waste. And they're super fun challenges. I just started, honestly. This quarter was the first time I've participated. It's so much fun. I really have enjoyed them. And she includes a lot of opportunities to win prizes and things like that. And so one of the ways that she funds all of that, her time and the prizes, is through having a Patreon. And so I was a free member, but she had a Black Friday discount where you could get, I think it was like 25% off. So I think it was maybe like $20 or something like that to be a VIP member. And I thought, well, you know what? I love the challenge, so let's try it. So basically with the VIP membership, you get access to a whole bunch of stuff on her site. So since I was new, it was pretty cool because I could go back and see all of her prior card challenges. I could see she has some like digital kits and printables and things that I got access to. And then she also sends her VIP members a surprise mystery kit. And so with that, I got a cute little note and a card. And so she sends a little homemade card, which is, this one is adorable. So we've got the little bear. And then it's blank on the inside. She just leaves a little note, which is cool because then you can use this, you know, I could use it for myself as decoration. I could send it to somebody. So that's just a sweet little touch, right? Getting something homemade. And then this is the kit itself. And so it came with, it looks like the theme, right, is kind of Christmas ornaments. So it came with this, which could be used to punch out a Christmas ornament. I haven't played with it yet, but it looks like it's a shadow die. So the edge isn't all the way around. So if you wanted it to be all the way around, you'd want a different circle. But it looks like this is something you'd maybe punch out so that you could lay something behind it. So it could definitely be an ornament. I noticed that this is a cat, and while it's a Christmas cat, you could maybe make, you know, like a ball. It made me think of like just a ball that for someone to play with or something like that. So I feel like you could use this outside of Christmas ornaments as well, to just make some fun circle designs. And then this is the stamp. And it's pretty cute. This is not something I probably would have bought for myself, but I do enjoy it. I love the little fluffy kitty and the little mouse. It's adorable. I like cutesy things, so I definitely like that. And sparkles are always fun, so some little gems. And then there was a whole bunch of paper. So there were these 6x6 double-sided, and these are like thick, like they're like cardstock, but I don't know, like almost like they're, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a smooth material over the top. That reindeer is really pretty, and these flowers, ooh, that's a hard one. I don't know which side I like better. We've got snowflakes, and then these beautiful ornaments, Christmas trees, and stars, more stars, and deer, and then more of those beautiful flowers and little snowflakes. So the ornaments are really like Christmas specific, but the rest of it, I feel like you could use this for winter or for New Year's. So there's those 6x6 cards, or yeah, card stocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Perfect for a Kendra's card challenge. And then we have these, which you could cut in half. I haven't measured them, but it looks like they are, you know, 8.5 by 11 cut in half. And so then if you cut that again, you'd have 2 card bases. So we've got 2 of this like matte gold, 2 of like a matte silver, this really pretty white sparkle. I don't know if you can see all the like colors in it. It's kind of got like pinks and greens, very pretty. It's like well, this I called a matte silver, but this is like even more, I don't even know how to explain it, like a brushed silver. And then black. So that's what came in the little mystery kit. For, 20 some odd dollars. I think if it was just this stuff, it's probably worth 20 some odd dollars. I don't know if that would be enough to motivate me to be a subscriber, but I think all the bonuses that come with it, so all of her freebies and printables and all of that, being a part of her community, I think that probably makes this worth that 20 some odd dollars that I paid. So if you are considering getting a membership, hopefully this helps you decide if it is something that's for you. Obviously this is only my first one, but I assume other months are kind of similar in terms of what you get. So check out Kendra's card challenges, even if it's just to participate, and if you're not necessarily trying to be a Patreon, her sketches are really fun. And have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. Bye.